We are given one equation, sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x plus sin 4x equal to 4, and we have to find number of solutions of this equation. How many solutions does this equation have? We have to answer. Now, first of all, I number this equation. I call this equation as 1. Now, my first observation is sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x, and sin 4x all are less or equal to 1. And that actually prompts that left hand side of equation 1 is always less or equal to 4. Now, understand one thing. If left hand side becomes less than 4, then there will not be any solution. So, we are actually in search of, does ever left hand side become equal to 4? Now, when does that happen? Equality would occur only when sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x, and sin 4x are equal to 1, and that should happen simultaneously. So my first consideration is, at least minimum I can start with, that sin x is 1. Now if sin x is 1, what happens to sin 2x? That is what I am interested in seeing. Now whenever sin x is 1, cos x is 0. We know that by definition. And sin 2x has in its formula 2 sin x cos x, and there I will use this value of cos x, and actually that leads to sin 2x equal to 0. And what has happened? That one of them, like of left hand side quantities, has become equal to 0. So sin x equal to 1 is not leading to sin 2x also equal to 1. So that means sin x equal to 1, sin 2x equal to 1, sin 3x equal to 1, and sin 4x equal to 1 simultaneously should happen. That is what we were expecting, is actually not happening. So this possibility is ruled out, that left hand side would be ever equal to 4, and that actually tells me that there is no solution to the given equation, and that is finally giving me number of solutions equal to 0. That is our answer.